Have you ever gotten to a point to you need to replace your car's battery and you have no clue when you replace it last? You are thinking, yeah, I replaced it last year, 2 years ago, but just doing this short video to recommend to you to always find a Sharpie and write when was the last time you replaced it. Maybe even you can write the mileage from your car. So that way, next time you get to a point where your battery is malfunctioning, you will have a better timeline. I also recommend that when you go to a place to replace it, when you buy a battery, have them send the receipt to your email. That way, when you have to look back for warranty and stuff like that, you can have the receipt available. This is a good example. I had to replace this battery and I had the receipt on my email, and it was pretty easy to get it replaced under warranty. Thankfully, I had the receipt available and it was still within less than 2 years replacement. All right, that's just a short video to give you this helpful advice. Hope it helps. Stay safe. Thank you.